What is deferred maintenance, and why is it a bill waiting to arrive? Deferred maintenance is repair work that got postponed. The roof, the parking lot, the HVAC all needed attention and did not get it. Skipping repairs saves money today, but the problems do not disappear. They grow. A small leak today becomes a major repair tomorrow. Deferred maintenance quietly erodes a property's value. Buyers hunt for it during due diligence. An inspection can uncover a stack of postponed repairs. Smart buyers turn that list into a price reduction. Here is the triple net twist. Who pays depends on the lease. In a true triple net, the tenant often covers maintenance. But big, structural, or roof items can still land on the landlord. Reserves exist so these costs do not become a crisis. Stay ahead of maintenance and you protect both value and cash flow. This is educational, not investment advice. Always consult a qualified professional.